Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur any video in your CapCut, right? So it's really easy. So to blur a video, first of all, let me show you. So this is a clip which I want to blur right now. So I will select the clip here, then I will go to here which is called effects section, and here in the video effects we have to go to the lens. By the way, you can always go and search for blur, right? So make sure you search for blur. Now, as you can see here, we have a lot of video effects of blur. So you can choose any of the blur. If you're looking for a normal one, then this is a normal blur here. By the way, there are very really different kind of blur. So we have to download this. So just click on download icon and it has been downloaded, right? So you can see that how this blur will preview on this clip. So right now, so we have to just click and drag whichever clip we want to blur. So this is a clip which I want to blur. For example, let me zoom this section here, right? You can always adjust the blur section. For example, I want to start the video with a blur and then it will move to a non-blur, right? So this is how you can just blur any video in CapCut. I hope you found this video really useful.